ASVAB Mathematics Knowledge Test. Question 1. Vision a box. Side box 5 cm, bottom right, long side 4 cm, front bottom short side 3 cm. The volume of this box is 12 cm 3, 15 cm 3, 20 cm 3, 60 cubic centimeters. The volume of a cubic rectangle is length x, width x, height 3x, 4x, 5 equals 60. Question 2. If n is a positive integer divisible by 7, and if n less than 70, what is the greatest possible value of n? 49, 56, 63, 69. If you know one multiple of a number, you can find the other multiples by adding and subtracting that number. The number 70 is divisible by 7. The greatest multiple that is less than 70 will be 77 equals 63. Question 3. Blair's average, arithmetic mean, on 2 physics tests is 7. What should Blair's score be on the next test to have an overall average of 8 for all the tests? 7, 8, 9, 10. The arithmetic mean is defined as the sum of the terms divided by the number of terms. 7 equals sum/2, 14 equals sum. Adding the next test score will change the average to an 8, and the total terms to 3. 8 equals 14 plus new score, /3, 24 equals 14 plus new score, 10 equals new score. Question 4. 4x plus 2, x plus 1, equals 5x plus 3, 4x2 plus 6x plus 2, 4x plus 2x plus 2, 4x2 plus 2. This is a multiplying binomials problem. Multiply the first term in the first binomial by both terms in the second binomial, 4x2 plus 4x. Then multiply the second term in the first binomial by each term in the second binomial, 2x plus 2. Adding them all together you get 4x2 plus 4x plus 2x plus 2 equals 4x2 plus 6x plus 2. Question 5. 28 divided by 24 divided by 2 equals -6, -3/4, 1, 2. Remember your order of operations. Complete operations within parentheses first. Calculate exponents. Then multiply and divide in order from left to right. Then add and subtract in order from left to right. 28 divided by 24 divided by 2 equals 28 divided by 16 divided by 2 equals 28 divided by 8 equals 2, 1 equals 1. Question 6. 3, x4 equals 18. What is the value of x? 3 halves, 22 thirds, 6, 10. Begin by dividing both sides by 3 to open the parenthesis. X4 equals 6. Add 4 to both sides to find x equals 10. Question 7. A scoutmaster is preparing his troop for their annual fishing expedition. He surveys each of his scouts to find out how many fishing poles they own. Fishing pole owned. What is the mode of this data set? 0, 1, 2, 3. The mode of the data is the number that appears the most often. In this case, the largest number of scouts, 7, own 0 fishing poles. Question 8. Line L passes through the point 1, 2. Which of the following cannot be the equation of line L? Y equals 1x, y equals x plus 1, x equals 1, y equals x plus 3. The slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. Since the line passes through 1, 2, there are 3 possibilities. The line will have a slope, the m in front of the x variable, it will be vertical, x equals 1, or it will be horizontal, y equals 2. Plug x equals 1 into all 4 equations to see which equation is not satisfied. The only answer choice that doesn't give us y equals 2 is B. Question 9. If 511 equals 52x5m, what is the value of m? 3, 5.5. 9, 12.5. When multiplying two powers with the same base, you can always add the exponents. This means that 11 equals 2 plus m, so m equals 9. Question 10. Which of these expressions is equivalent to 3x3y5 plus 3x5y3, 4x5y3, 3x3y5, x5y3, 6x5y3, x3y5, 7x5y3, 6x3y5, x5y3. The key to this problem is distributing the negative sign. When distributing a negative sign, each term has a change of sign from negative to positive or from positive to negative. 3x3y5 plus 3x5y3, 4x5y3 3x3y5, equals 3x3y5 plus 3x5y3 4x5y3 plus 3x3y5 equals 6x3y5 x5y3. Question 11. A rectangle is cut in half to create two squares that each have an area of 25. What is the perimeter of the original rectangle? 20, 25, 30, 35. The formula to find the area of a square is side x side. If each square has an area of 25, then the dimensions of the rectangle are 5x10. The perimeter is the sum of all the sides, and would therefore be 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 equals 30. Question 12. If xy equals yz, an angle y measures 90 degrees in the figure above, which of the following cannot be concluded? A equals b xz xy. A plus b equals 90. xz2 equals xy2 plus yz2. Here we are looking for the choice that is not true. Since the triangle is isosceles, xy equals yz, then a equals b equals 45. This means that a plus b equals 90. A and c must be true. For all right triangles, the Pythagorean theorem applies, so D is also true. B is the correct answer because it is not true that xy. In a right triangle, the hypotenuse is always the longest side. Question 13. What is the value of this expression? 60, 17, 13, 11. You need to add the 25 and 144 first, and then take the square root. The square root of 169 is 13. Question 14. If 3.2 plus 3.3 plus 3.5, w equals w, then what is the value of w? 0, 1/10, 1, 10. First add up the three numbers that are in parentheses. 10w equals w, 10w equals w will only be true when w equals 0. Question 15. There are two pizza ovens in a restaurant. Oven 1 burns 3 times as many pizzas as oven 2. If the restaurant had a total of 12 burned pizzas on Saturday, how many pizzas did oven 2 burn? 3, 6, 9, 12. Begin by setting up a system of equations to represent the situation, letting x represent oven 1 and y represent oven 2. X equals 3y and x plus y equals 12. Substituting the first equation into the second, 3y plus y equals 12, so y equals 3. Question 16. What is the area of this trapezoid? 360, 440, 570, 620. The trapezoid consists of two smaller shapes, a triangle and a rectangle. Draw a line from point A across this figure to form the two shapes. Find the area of each shape and then add them together to find the area of the trapezoid. Area of rectangle equals length x width. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 18x20 equals 360. Area of a triangle equals 1/2, base, height. The base of the triangle is 20. The height of the triangle is unknown. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the triangle's height. C2 equals A2 plus B2 where C is the triangle's hypotenuse. 292 equals 202 plus, height, 2, 841 equals 400 plus, height, 2, 441 equals, height, 2. The square root of 441 is 21, height equals 21. Therefore, area of the triangle equals 1/2, 20, 21 equals 210. The total area of the trapezoid equals 360 plus 210 equals 570. Question 17. If x plus y equals 2 and xy equals 1, then x equals 1, y equals 1, x equals 2, y equals 1, x equals 3/2, y equals 1/2, x equals 0, y equals 2. Adding the two equations together eliminates y, x plus y equals 2 plus 1, resulting in 2x equals 3, so x equals 3/2. Substituting x back into the first equation, 3/2 plus y equals 2, so y equals 1/2.